Excellent. So we have we have that, and we're going. Okay, this thing get knocked off. Nope, it's good. Seatbelt on. Power up.
Por favor, vaya a la ruta indicada.
Here we go. Going back to the airport to drop the car off. It's always better when the nav works, even if it isn't Spanish. Much easier. Okay, staying over that guy. We're not sure what he was doing, but we're staying in our lane. 200 meters, we're going to go left. We're in the right direction. Aeropuerto.
En 600 metros manténgase a la izquierda y siga la M11 en dirección aeropuerto.
See, there was a car right beside me and I couldn't get out there. Okay, we're not gonna freak out. That's what you can't do when you get lost. You gotta let the GPS reroute you. You can't get out there. Just go straight, because otherwise you're being unpredictable. And see, it wasn't a big deal. We just get back out here. But, try not to freak out. There's a lot going on, and you're trying not to merge into the car beside you. So, okay, and there's a big truck there. Okay, we did that one different because there wasn't a car behind the truck, so we're just like, let the truck go by and we're going to merge out onto the highway. Oh, now it's recalculating. We went the wrong way again. Okay, 2.5, we're going to go left. All right. Oh, we're getting lost in Madrid trying to get to the airport. I already did this once today. I took Tracy to the airport this morning because her flight was different, but Aeropuerto. We're on the right road. And then once we get to the aeropuerto, we have to find the rental place to take the car back. 1.8. And so when it says 1.8, 1.7, you can look at your odometer. Mine says 7.3, so 8.4, 8.9. And you can figure out when to go left. You don't necessarily need it to be speaking in English. It helps, but, The other thing here is there's some tolls, so you want to have your credit card ready in case you hit a toll.
En 1000 metros manténgase a la izquierda y siga la M11 en dirección aeropuerto.
But it's been lots of fun driving around Madrid. It's been lots of fun driving around Spain, from Barcelona to Mancata. I think it's an A. I'd have to look it up again, but it was a tremendous trip. Absolutely tremendous trip. I learned heaps. Just stay under the arrows for Aeropuerto. And once we get a little bit closer, obviously we're going to have to start looking for Terminal 1. I'm looking for Terminal 1. It says here I got 3 kilometers, so I can just chillax. So I've been lost a few times, so that's something that you can figure out when you travel to different places in different countries, not even different countries, in your own country. You travel to different places, you're going to get lost. Of course, it's going to be a little easier because it's in your own language. Okay. Aeropuerto, Terminal 4. Yeah, we're not looking for Terminal 4. We're looking for Terminal 1. Okay, still going the right way according to the map. Looks like the golf course there on the right. Very nice. Spaniards out playing golf. Again, staying under the arrow, so that means the 2 left lanes. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting off. Of course, when the taxi's braking, it's a good idea that you brake, because you can assume, hopefully rightfully, that the taxi's going to the airport and has been here several times and knows they need to slow down on the curve. So, okay, Terminal 4, we're not looking for Terminal 4, we're looking for Terminal 1. Terminal 3, we're getting closer. Terminal 2. Terminal 1. We just follow the signs for Terminal 1. Okay, Terminal 1. We just get underneath that sign.
Ahora
Okay,
manténgase
checking
a
our
la
mirror,
izquierda en
checking
dirección
shoulder check.
aeropuerto.
And we should see some signs here for rental cars right soon. Okay, Terminal 1. Okay, now there should be signs for rental cars. It's usually pretty marked out. I've returned cars before, and it's well signed. That's the hope and dream anyway. Okay, Terminal 1. Straight up. Okay, I still haven't seen the rental cars.
Ha
Ah,
llegado al destino.
see the sign
Se
car with
encuentra al
the
lado
key
derecho de la
underneath?
calle.
That's the rental car. Perfect. So you can't go to the terminal when you're taking the car back. You got to take the car to the rental place and then make your way to the terminal after you return the car. I think we're still going the right way. Yes, because there's the sign. Okay. Car with the key over it. Guess that's the universal sign for rental cars. Car rental Hertz. Yes, and where do we go? I'm assuming it's through here because I don't see the sign. Renting, there we go, perfect. Car rental, push, ticket. Okay, Hertz. Follow the signs for Hertz. Okay, it says that way. And we're here.